Hi everyone. So today we'll learn how to rename a folder in GitHub. Here you can see currently I'm on github.com and that's my repo. If I want to rename any folder in this repo, I can simply do it using a VS Code editor or I can do it using git bash. But in this video I will show you how you can do it in a web browser. So as you can see, I got an address bar here and it is written github.com. Simply change it from .com to .dev. Press enter key. Here you will see the web version of VS Code editor and it has basically opened your GitHub repo in it. On the left hand side you see all the files that are in your repo. In my case I want to rename this folder which is utils2. So I need to right click on rename. Let's rename it. Press the enter key. So it's done. Now simply click here on the source control icon. Close this. Now here we need to provide a commit message. So let's make it folder renamed. Then click on commit and push. Now go to files icon. And here you can see the folder is renamed. You can confirm this by going to github.com. So let's do so. And here you can see I got my commit message, folder renamed, and the folder is renamed from utils2 to utils. So I hope you understood how to rename a folder on github.com. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.